Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. No, I haven't done my crafty dare, nor have I done Saturday morning makes, but I did go shopping, as you can see. I didn't go crazy, which was a good thing. Um, and I wanted to come on real quick and share some of the things that I purchased at Hobby Lobby's clearance sale. And so let's get started. I bought some stamps. Oh, this is from Dollar Tree. That doesn't belong in here. I bought this stamp set, or it's like a cling rubber stamp from Stamp Pendus, and it was $10.99, and I got it for $2.74. And I love this. It's so pretty. And then this one was $8.99, and I got it for $2.24. And it says that it's what, cling vintage notes, and I love anything with script on it. I did get this stamp for $3.24. It was $12.99. Let me see if I can do an autofocus so you can see it better. Isn't that cute? I love this bookshelf. It's so pretty. And this too is from Hero Arts. And then I bought this, and this was $6.99. It's almost like not a seal, but like what do you call that? Initial I forget what they call it. I can't remember. I got the S is the last name, my last name, for 99 cents, and I got this really cute circle for $1.74. I thought that was really, really cute. Then in the die section, I didn't get too many, which was really surprising. I got this poinsettia. It was $14.99. I got it for $3.74. I have a similar die, and I don't know. I think I have the Spellbinders version of it. I want to try this one out. Then I got this one. It was $12.99. I got it for $3.24. It is what is it called? Doesn't say what it's called, of course. And then I got this one for $3.24. It has sprigs, and it's very generic, where it's not for a specific season. I could use it all year round. That's why I like this one. This is a Sizzix winter garland, but I don't have to use it, even though it does have winter sprigs on it, I guess, because this is, you could use it anytime. So I thought that was a great idea. And it comes with 11 dies, so I was like, holy mackerel. Okay, so those are the dies that I got. And then I am trying to figure out what I'm going to do for St. Patrick's Day cards for family. So I just kind of went crazy. They're 50% off papers on the what do you call it? Paper Studio paper. So and this was 40% off. And I have a big Irish family, so if I don't do St. Patrick's Day cards, that would be crazy. So I got that, and then I got this paper, 8.5 by 11, and then I got this one. This one looks more vintage to me. I think I got like, I don't know, 5 or 6 sheets of paper. Then I got the 12 by 12 paper, which is nice because it's a smaller print. And then I this bunnies. I love this bunny paper. It is so adorable. And I got it for 50% off. So I'm gearing up for Easter. And I got this really cute plaid, Easter plaid. So that is my haul for, I haven't been shopping much, which is nice. I've been keeping track, like Tina, who's Crafty Bean, and I've been writing everything down of how much I've spent, even the ones that I've done online. And I've seen how much I've spent. I don't spend a whole lot, but it really gives you a perspective of how much you do spend, and then you kind of hold off on things until something like this happens, and it's a good thing. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.